Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Kia Carnival, stock number 7317. It's ran from the 12th 2014 to the 10th 2020. There's a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left down headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard. Left front 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.